What is a bodhran for children? What is a bodhran for children? This delightful instrument is a smaller and lighter version of the traditional Irish bodhran drum, made just for young players. The bodhran itself is a frame drum, usually crafted with a wooden frame and a goatskin head stretched over one side. The other side remains open, allowing players to control the sound by pressing their hand against the inside. For children, bodhrans are typically around 14 inches in diameter or even smaller. This size makes it much easier for little hands to hold and play. The smaller bodhran helps kids develop rhythm and hand coordination without the struggle of managing a full-sized drum, which can be much larger. Children usually play the bodhran with a wooden stick called a tipper or beater. However, beginners, including kids, can also use their hands to strike the drum. This flexibility makes it accessible for everyone, regardless of their experience level. Introducing children to the bodhran is a fun way to connect with Irish culture and traditional music. It is a popular instrument at Irish music sessions and celebrations. Learning to play the bodhran can be an exciting experience for children traveling in Ireland, allowing them to engage with the country's artistic heritage. The bodhran has roots in rural Irish life and has been part of Irish music for about 200 years. It gained more popularity in the 20th century, becoming a staple in traditional Irish music. For young learners, playing the bodhran encourages a sense of rhythm and timing. It can be a joyful introduction to percussion instruments. Many educational settings and music workshops focus on teaching children how to play the bodhran. This helps them appreciate Irish cultural traditions while developing musical skills. The drum's simple design and the tactile experience of playing make it enjoyable for children, whether they are locals or visitors exploring Ireland's artistic crafts. In essence, a bodhran for children is a friendly version of the traditional Irish frame drum. It is sized and built to be manageable for young players, offering a practical and cultural way to engage with Irish music and heritage during travels in Ireland.